Attention homeowners! Is your roof giving you problems? Call today and get a new metal roof from Gator Metal Roofing, the last roof you'll ever have to buy. The truth is, traditional asphalt roofs are just less durable than our Gator Metal roofs, which can last up to 3 times longer than shingles. Our Gator Metal roofs are designed to withstand strong winds, driving rain, ice, hail, high heat, and heavy snow. Right now, we are offering free, no-obligation estimates to see if a new metal roof from Gator Metal Roofing is right for you. Gator Metal roofs come in 18 different color options for you to choose from and is lightweight on your home's construction. All this comes with a lifetime warranty and our 40% energy savings pledge. Give us a call and see if you qualify for 0% financing and payments as low as $99 per month. We only have a limited number of openings, so call right now. Get off your asphalt and call Gator Metal Roofing right now.